Hello guys, part 2 of me doing underground. This is going to be very short. As you guys remember from last time, it suddenly cut off. Sorry guys, I have to do a part 2 now. Also guys, yeah, this is the exact same. No fails, you can absolutely see. But all the bun-buns are here. I mean, are you serious? I mean, I'm ready for this. Sure, whatever. I bet Bun number 1 is gonna die, which is the white one. Bun number 2 slash JK Bun is gonna die. Bun number 3. Oh, that looks like the anime punch. And then Bun number 3, Black Bun's gonna die soon. She's Funnel has not knocked back a single time. But I'm making sure. Yep, there we go. All the Buns are hard. Yep, we got one down. Bam. Wow, the cat shield actually got knocked back. Ooh, we got 2. Alright, black one. You're going down. Yeah! Woohoo! We did it! And when I mean I mean I. We got 2 funnels at the end. We found bricks? 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 Yeah, still 56 minutes. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Oh, this is 2 minutes. Hey guys, we're gonna do Princess of Darkness. We're gonna do a couple of one. We're gonna do a couple. That doesn't mean blah 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 blah. It means a couple. Means that I want to make this video entirely fun for you guys. Yes, it's a 2-parter. Alright. This video is also not going to be set in the public, so you guys won't be able to, you guys will only be able to see this video if you watch part 1. Putting it in the link in the description below. Actually, I don't know if I can. And besides that, this is in the future. This is past me. So if you talk to future me, you'll understand. Okay, guys. You'll see future me in a sec. Hello, it's just future Mew Mew. Turns out, I think I can. You know, I don't like checking, so don't ask if I can. I'm pretty sure I can't. Wow, a horrible editor I am. Coming in the mix is Awaken Bahamut. Defeating all the enemies in his eye. Woo! Ah! Oh no! It's a big ugly bear! Bro! Did a Bahamut just die? Oh my gosh. Sapudo spam. Sapudo spam! Dapudo spam! Oh my gosh! Dapudo spam! These guys give too much money. Bro, I got like 3,000 money from one of them. Or less. Maybe it was 2 of them. The Sapudo spam, I can't even catch up with my money, bro. The Sapudo spam is too powerful. Guys, if you ever see a Sapudo spam, if you have all of your units ready to be deployed, even expensive ones. The Sapudo spam! Alright guys, we need to get work to the base. That's a poodle spam. That's a poodle spam. Ha! Funny. That's a poodle spam. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Yeah. Come on, you. Sapoodle spams. Sapoodle spam. The poodle spam, I mean. Not the sapoodle spam. The poodle spam. I got a decent amount down. Guys, if you ever get level 4 survive on Cyborg. No, not Cyborg. If you get level 4 survive on Cyberpunk, it's useless. Okay, guys. See you until I finish it. At this rate, I feel like I'm hacking right now. I'm literally beating the stage without beating the sloth. Oh my gosh, that is such a hack. Oh, I beat the sloth. I guess I did have to. No, give me them cats. No. Yeah, we finally got a sprocket. The bathroom? Hold up. Ooh, yes. Got a ticket. We also got this. What is it? That's what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go upgrade my cat base because my cat base is pretty poor. Yeah. Go enhance my base. There you go. Thanks. Alright, guys, I'm gonna use this. Oh, I get epic cat fruit. Epic cat fruit. Oh, that's also good. Now, guys, I'm gonna waste this day by doing something crazy. Nope. Okay. Hold up, you give away more XP. Who should I give it to? You. I'm gonna upgrade my cheapest cat. I don't know why, but I need the XP. No, I don't need the XP. I'm doing this for the levels. No, I'm not using my dark cat's eye. No dark cat's eye. There we go, guys. I used all my XP. Are you happy? Or are you sad? Don't ask why I say sad. Hey! I found another guide. Let's see if I got that. Yeah! Let's go. Woohoo. Uberers can now. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Don't know why I'm looking for this. That's terrible. Okay, bye.